Being fit is hard, right? You're probably feeling some pain and frustration like you're stuck. I'm going to draw two paths for you, both hard, but one is a game changer. On the left is the hard that comes from doing nothing, and on the right is the hard that comes from taking action. So what's hard about doing nothing? Well, being weak, that's hard. Being unfit and always out of breath, that's hard. Being inflexible, having a stiff and achy body, being overweight, clothes not fitting anymore, dreading looking in the mirror and even having to buy new clothes, pain and injury stopping you cold so you can't do the things that you want, that can be really hard. Doctor's bills, eating into your savings, that's bloody hard. Paying all that money and having to go to all those appointments. Scans and physio costing a fortune too and more time. And if you're really unlucky, having to see surgeons as well. Feeling miserable, just not being yourself. Feeling self-conscious, shying away from social activities and, not spending time with friends. Are you living any of this? I've coached thousands of people who are going through this stuff and the pain is just way too real. All right, so here on the other side, hitting the gym, lifting weights, that's hard too. Following a program and sticking to it. Eating healthy and fueling your body. Everybody knows how hard that is, right? Sticking to a sleep schedule and staying on track. Getting 8 hours sleep at night so you wake up feeling fresh. No alcohol, keeping your body clean. Both these lists are hard, but this one keeps you in pain, paying bills, feeling miserable. This one makes you strong, flexible, pain-free, and limitless. Which hard are you choosing? At Unity Gym, we help thousands pick the fitness hard. It's not about quick fixes, it's about learning discipline, which is a skill that anyone can master. And the result? No more pain, no more costs, just a better you. Let me tell you about Ali. He's one of our tribe members all the way over in Pakistan. Ali came to us with a torn rotator cuff from badminton, and he couldn't lift his arm past shoulder height without wincing in pain. You know that feeling? He was told he needed surgery, but he couldn't afford the costs involved, both financially and physically. So Ali chose the heart of fitness. He joined our online coaching, learned to manage his training load, and followed our step-by-step program. And 5 months later, Ali's doing behind-the-head shoulder press and pull-ups pain-free, stronger than he ever was. Ali chose wisely, and it transformed his life. So what's your move? The heart of pain, weakness, being stuck? Well, that's already happening to you just by not taking action. And the reason so many choose this heart is because it doesn't require you to do anything. The heart on this list, that requires action. But when you get strong, flexible, when your confidence increases because you look and feel good and you can do what you want without being limited by pain and injury, that's when you regain control of your life. And what once seemed hard, you realize is actually so much easier than what you get from doing nothing at all. Well, which heart are you going to choose? Because it is a choice. We all choose our heart. If you're ready to choose strength, mobility, and fitness, watch that video there. And remember that both paths are hard, but health and fitness, it's the hard that sets you free. Choose wisely.